My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Skoda Octavia. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have lane assist and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access radio and media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our button we can access Eco mode, normal mode, sport and individual. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.